My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the website aneribebrained.com. Aneribebrained.com is the website that displays scary messages that attempt to encourage visitors into downloading certain potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that your computer is not clean after surfing the web and that you need to protect your PC. Some versions of these pop-ups, by the way, may also display some other scary and misleading statements that try to encourage people into downloading some potentially unwanted software. This could be some fake system optimization tool or some unwanted browser extension that may be promoted through these pop-ups. But you should not trust all these deceptive statements that are delivered by aneribebrained.com pop-up alerts. They are the example of the typical online scam. In case you see these pop-ups, you need to undertake certain measures to fix your computer and your browser in particular. Of course, you could just close this page, but the same pop-ups may also come up a bit later on. So you need to carefully investigate the control panel of your computer and uninstall any suspicious programs from the list. If you find something suspicious here, get rid of it. I also recommend you to research your device additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. You may select your appropriate version. In fact, the website combocleaner.com would detect your current operating system and would help you to download the appropriate version of Combo Cleaner. So after the software is downloaded and installed, start checking your computer to detect and delete other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.